Today, what I've got today is I've got some of these pork medallions. I'm going to do them with some mushrooms and some like broccoli in a pan with some chicken stock and garlic and sage and thyme. And I'm going to do it with some mash. I've got the potatoes on, but they're over there. And some the broccoli's on, and I've got some cauliflowers going with the mash and some cheese and a bit of seasoning and all that good stuff. So first of all, we're going to get the salt, pepper, flip them over. Same again. Pepper. What I'm going to do is get this plastic bag, put it over the top. Just loosen them up a little bit.
12 seconds later.
Olive oil. Flip these over. About 3 or 4 minutes on this side. Remove these now. Nice scoop of butter. I'll use olive butter. Get all that lovely goodness off the bottom of the pan. And our mushrooms. Garlic. Thyme. Sage. Chicken stock. And our medallions back in again. And we'll let that simmer away, let it reduce down a bit, and we'll be back soon. So we have our mash with the skins on. And our cauliflower. Bit of seasoning. One egg. Bit of cheese. Cheddar cheese. cheeky bit of mustard.
Meanwhile.
That's reduced down lovely. So what I'm going to do is get these bits of broccoli. Just snip off these little floret things. Turn the heat off. Just leave that there and we'll dish up. So we'll see you in a minute.
Eventually.
Okay, so there we go. We've got our pork medallions done with mushrooms, some chicken stock, garlic, simmered over with some broccoli and then mash with cauliflower, cheese, a little bit of mustard and 1 egg. So it's going to be really, really tasty. And it smells really nice actually, so I'm going to enjoy this. So we'll see you on the next one. See you later guys, bye.